Hey y'all, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I've been hearing a lot about, I should say I've been seeing a lot of different videos on YouTube talking about this Konmari, tidying up method or decluttering method, cleaning method, organizing method, whichever you want to call it. But I was pretty interested in it when I found out what it was. You basically have to, whatever space or area you decide to organize or declutter, you have to take everything out of that space, touch everything, and if it doesn't give you joy, you basically get rid of it. And since my polishes are something that's like sentimental to me, they mean a lot to me. I love my nail polishes, love collecting them, and it's super hard for me to get rid of them. Now, even if I don't get rid of any today, I do want to organize it, and I do want to go through and kind of try to declutter some of it and get rid of a few, even if I sell them or give them away. I want to see if I can let go of ones that don't bring me joy, that don't feel that special to me anymore, and I'll let it go. But other than that, I kind of want to get it organized and get them kind of by brand or color or shape of bottle or something like that. I don't know yet, but we're gonna kind of go with the flow. So this is one of the boxes that I want to do. This is a lot of my a lot of miscellaneous polishes. I have some indies in here, and then I have some mainstream, which are store brands in here. It's not really like a certain order, so I definitely want to go through this and sort through these and kind of get this organized. And then I also have this container. Open it up. This is a essential oils case. If you guys have not been subscribed to me for a long time, then you won't remember what this is. But this is an essential oils case that I ordered that actually can fit some certain nail polish sizes, and this one is stuck. So this is something I would put with those. Like, I might do like ones I don't use the most is really what I keep in here. I really don't use these a lot, and that's mainly why they're in here. But I think I'm going to change that up. Ones that I use the most, I think I want to switch to this one. I also have this box that I have polished in that I do not really use as well. So I do want to go through this too. And get everything organized into this container and put certain polishes to the side. I did stand them up so I could see them a little bit better, and I did a little ASMR video for y'all too. That's why they're standing up, but I still needed to do this so I could kind of see how many square ones I have and round, and different shapes I got in here and what brands. So I'm going to go ahead and just start pulling them out. I'm going to dump this one out first. So I need to take these out too. I kind of want to lay them on something. I put my little blanket down here, but I don't really want to mess this up either. Oh my gosh, look at this. What's crazy is this is just a little bit. This is like my small stash. There's more where this came from. Okay, all right, y'all. So it looks a little different than what you guys just saw because I had to stop filming and go take care of something right quick. So I had put everything back in this container. I pulled everything back out, and now I'm ready to go ahead and get started. So since I'm going to try the KonMari method, I am going to pick up everything and just kind of take a look at it, think about, okay, where I want to put it, keep it, whatever. So I think what I'm going to keep is going to definitely go inside of here. If I want to put it in a different box instead of in here, I'm going to put it to the side, and also ones that I'm going to get rid of, I will put to the side. Now, most of the ones in here I think are going to be keeps. I don't think I'm going to be getting rid of many of these. We'll see though. And I also have to figure out where I'm going to put the boxes. For now, I might put them like these. I might put them back in here. This will definitely go in just like my nail art drawer, which I can do now. So just throw that in, put it up here. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and sort a little bit just in regular mode for you guys, because I know this is probably going to take a little bit of time. I don't know. And then I might go ahead and time lapse the rest. Now, I do have a couple other boxes that I want to get to, but I want to go ahead and get this sorted out first so I won't like overwhelm myself, because I have so much, and trying to figure out where to put all of this stuff is already like overwhelming. So I think for now, I'm going to put any clear polishes I come across, like, you know, this type of stuff. I'm just going to put over here to the side until I figure out exactly where I would put them. I was thinking of putting them all in here, so I might do that. Just not too sure yet, but I think that's what I'm going to go with, putting them in that box. This is a foundation base coat. And these are new, so I definitely am going to keep these. They bring me joy because they're new. I'm trying to find the other ones. Here's another clear. I hope me holding the camera like this isn't making you guys too dizzy, moving it back and forth. Here's this one. I'm going to keep this out. My mother-in-law wants her nails done, and I think that would be a great color. And this one too, actually. I'm going to open that one. I have never used this one, but I really like it. It's acrylic, it's yellow, it's an indie. Keep. Okay. Love this one. This is a fave. I've used this a couple times. This is by Forever 21. The lid is crooked. I don't know if this has a name, but I love it. Okay. Definitely keeping these babies. I don't know if I want to put them in this box, do I? For now. For now. I might switch where those go, because I love using those. They're like a really nice holographic glitter. This is a stamping one, and I'm going to put all my stamping polishes in a certain spot. So this will go, I'm going to put this to the side. Here's another clear. This one I don't know if I'm going to keep. That's a maybe. This definitely, because it's so cute, and I've never even opened it. It's just cute. I wonder if it's probably all dehydrated. Let's see. Let me shake it. Yeah, it doesn't even work anymore. But it's cute. I probably should get rid of it because I can't even use it. But it's like decoration, so don't judge me. Okay. Here's another stamping color. So this will go with the stamping polish. Here's another hitchhiker nail. That will go in there. Trying to see if I can spot another. This one's fading, but if I spin it, I might can bring this one back. So this will go right here with the maybe. What is this? Yeah, that's kind of old. This is a keep. Wow, this one completely dehydrated. I wonder if I put some thinner in here, will that help? Or probably not, because it's no liquid in here at all, I don't think. Oh my gosh. Okay. I mean, look. Oh my gosh. Okay. That has to go, and that was super cute. This is a very pretty color. I'm gonna keep this one. It's by Man Glaze. They were kind of racy. Let me open this. This is still good. Keep. Here's another. You can see that it's completely dried out, but like I said, it's so cute. Decoration. Put it right in the front. Definitely keeping this one. It's a scented. Oh, this is a beautiful, beautiful red. Keep. I'm gonna time lapse the rest, you guys. Alright, you guys, so I have no polishes left over here. I have some empty boxes of these that I have opened. So over here I have my clears, like top coats, base coats, whatever coats that are clear. These I'm just putting to the side because I might use these when I do my mom-in-law's nails. These are stamping polishes, and I'm also going to put this color with my stamping polish. This I'm going to give away. These are all giveaway colors. These I did just take out of here, and they're really pretty, but the brush is pretty crappy, so I might give these to like my little niece or something like that. I love this color, but it's like kind of watered down, so I'm not too sure. I might mix it with another color or something, or I may just get rid of it. So the clears, I am going to go ahead and put them in here for now, because I'm pretty sure once I do the next set, I am going to have more. Actually, I'll probably give this clear away as well. This actually I need to keep with wherever the Seche Vita is, which is in here, because this is a prep before you put, I mean, not, yeah, it is, no, Everglaze. I have to put that prep on before using that certain polish. This is a fine line and ridge filling base coat. I might give this to my mom-in-law. Clear coat. Cuticle remover, I'll probably put this with my nail care stuff, like cuticle removers and stuff. Leave that out with that. And okay, so that is everything. So I did not put everything back in here in like a great order. I stuck them in here. I was starting to. Some I put the bottles together that go together, but for the most part, I just have them all down in here, and it's a lot better looking than it was. And I cleared it out a little bit, so you know, I have all these out to the side. I have these two that are dried out that have to get tossed. And so yeah, that's how it turned out. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop this video right here, but I am gonna do a KonMari polish organization video to be another one. I'm going to do what's in this case. and I have one other case. So I'm going to do 2 cases of polish in the next one. Try to get some room to where I'm going to put them and figure that out, but I am going to do a part 2. So make sure you guys have your notifications on. Make sure you're subscribed so you can turn your notifications on. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you guys have tried anything in your house with the KonMari method. Let me know down below. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. See y'all in the next one.